in gentle light. Quiet moments feel so right. Take a breath and let it be. Peace begins inside of me. Every worry fades away when the mind can gently stay. Stillness opens space to see life with calm and clarity. Pamper your heart and mind. Leave the restless world behind. Let the quiet help you see. Calm will bring you clarity. In the silence you may find gentle strength within your mind. When the noise begins to cease, life reveals its deeper peace. Every thought can slowly clear when the soul feels safe and near. Simple moments softly show more than rushing hearts can know. When you rest and simply breathe, peace becomes the air you breathe. Every pause along the way helps your inner light to stay. Pamper your heart and mind. Leave the restless world behind. Let the quiet help you see. Calm will bring you clarity. Like a flower in the sun, life unfolds when you are calm. When you care for who you are, peace will guide you from afar. Pamper yourself today. Let your worries drift away. In the calm your heart will see. Peace becomes your clarity.